In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini AI with voice command. This guide will walk you through the simple and efficient process of interacting with Gemini AI using just your voice. Whether you're new to Gemini or just looking to enhance your experience, these steps will have you commanding with confidence in no time. First, let's start by opening Gemini. You'll want to have the application ready on your device, whether that's on a desktop, tablet, or mobile phone. Once you have Gemini open, you will notice its user-friendly interface, designed to make navigation straightforward and intuitive. Spend a moment here to familiarize yourself with the screen layout, especially if you haven't used Gemini before. Next, it's time to create a new chat within the application. This step is essential as it provides the platform from which you'll interact with Gemini. Look for the option that says New Chat and click on it. This opens up a fresh dialog window, creating a blank canvas for your voice-activated interaction to begin. Now, you're ready for the next crucial step. Look towards the chat box and you should see a small microphone icon either within the chat area or nearby. Clicking this icon is key, as it activates the voice command feature of Gemini. This simple action transforms the application from a text-based entity into one that can hear and process your spoken words. Before you can start speaking to Gemini, you'll need to grant microphone permissions. This step is vital as Gemini needs access to your microphone jack in order to listen to your commands. You might see a prompt pop up asking for permission. Make sure to allow this. Depending on your device, this permission might be given through settings or a one-click option. Rest assured, granting this access is a secure and necessary part of the process. Now comes the exciting part, speaking your prompt. Think of what you want to say or ask Gemini. Your phrase can be as simple or as complex as you like, so take a moment to form your thoughts. When ready, speak clearly and directly into the microphone. Your voice is now the tool by which you control Gemini, so articulation is key. Next, you'll wait for Gemini to respond. This shouldn't take long. Thanks to its advanced processing capabilities, Gemini is able to understand and reply to your spoken words promptly. You should see a response appear within the chat window. This could be the answer you were looking for, some helpful advice, or even a further question to clarify your needs. This dialogue can continue seamlessly, just like a natural conversation. And there you have it, the entire process of using Gemini AI with voice command. You've learned how to open the application, start a chat, activate voice input, grant necessary permissions, and interact using just your voice. With these steps mastered, you can now enjoy a more interactive and hands-free experience with Gemini AI. Thank you for watching, and we hope you find this guide helpful and informative. Enjoy exploring all the possibilities that Gemini AI has to offer.